Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gereganyo. We are continuing from the previous video, or we are proceeding. Today we'll be talking about geometric and 2D shapes. We'll be talking about triangles, identify and classify triangles. So we have, without even wasting any time, let's get into it. We have three types: triangle, in geometric. We have isosceles triangle. Okay, what is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. You can classify a triangle according to the number of equal sides they have. Now that one is the first one, is a scalene. A scalene, it has no equal sides and it has no equal angles. And then the second one, we have isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, it has two equal sides. And it has two equal angles. And then the last one, we have this one. This equilateral. Equilateral, it has three equal sides, and three equal angles. And we have types of angles. Write this down. We have an acute angle. This angle is between 0 and 90. We have a right angle. A right angle is equal to 90 degrees. We have an obtuse angle, is between 90 degrees and 180. We have a straight line, which is equals to 180. We talked about straight line in a previous video. We have a reflex angle. Reflex angle is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. And then the last one, we have the revolution. A revolution is equal to 360. Again, we talked about 360. We talked about revolution in our previous video. So I just want you to know these angles because, they are the angles which they can help us some of the things here. And the other reason why I am telling you those angles is because now we are going to solve geometric problems with angles and triangles. So it's angles and triangles together. Solve geometric trick with angles and triangles. I hope you can see that, even if the triangle is being cut over there. Firstly, I would like to talk about let me draw it first. We all know, I don't know if you all know this rule. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles, or the opposite angles. What do I mean by that? When I say and exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the two opposite interior angles. It means this angle over here is equal to this angle plus this angle. This angle is equal to this plus this. If here was 70 degrees as an example, if here was 70 and here it was 20 degrees, we were going to say 70 is equals to 20. Let's just say here is A. We're going to say 70 is equals to 20 plus A. And maybe the question says we must find the value of angle A. So A plus 20 is equals to 70. Don't forget to put that to show that is an angle. We talked about that in the previous video. A equals to 70 minus 20. A is equals to what? A is equals to 50. Let's put that 50 over there. My high school teacher used to tell me, or if you find the angle over there, you must indicate that was 50. No, if you're working, if you are solving the problems. Again, the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is equal to 1/8. Let's just say here it is what? Let's just say here it's B. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, they must add up to 1/8. Again, the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 1/8. This angle plus this angle also, it must give us 180 degrees. So, in order to find this angle over here, you can choose whether to use the sum of angles in triangle or to use the angles on the straight line, because they are all equal to 180. The sum of angles on triangle add up to 180. The sum of angles in straight line is 180 also. So in order to find B, you can choose whether to use the straight line or the sum of angles in triangle. Let me first use the straight line. B plus 70 is equals to 80. 1/8, not 8. B equals to 180 minus 70 degrees, which means B is equals to what? 110. B is equals to 110. Then we can even use the other rule. We can use the exterior angles of a triangle. We can say A, which is 50, plus B plus 20 is equals to angle equals 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. Don't forget to write the reason. Don't forget to write the reasons. Sum of angles in triangle. We're going to say what? 50 plus 20 is 70 plus B equals to 180 minus 70. B is equals to 110. They are the same. Here is 110 and here is 110 also. So you can either choose whether to use the sum of angles in a triangle or to use the straight line. You must not forget to write the reason. Angles on a straight line. So don't forget this one, don't forget it. And you must be careful all times. If you are going to use this rule, make sure that this line is extended, because you can make a mistake and maybe think that this is an exterior angles of a triangle. Sometimes you find that this angle is not extended, maybe it's drawn like this. Let me say it's drawn like this. Can you see this? We can't use this one, we can't. Or maybe it's drawn like this. Or we can use exterior angles of a triangle, because this line is not a base. We only use if a base of a triangle is straight like that. That is where you can use exterior angle of a triangle is close to this one. Yeah. So let's proceed. Identify quadrilateral. Classify or identify quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? It's a plane figure that has 4 straight lines joined together to form 4 vertices or 4 corners. This is a quad. It has 4 vertices, 4 lines. The angles, or the 4 angles of quadrilateral, add up to 180. So A plus B plus C plus D, not add up to, they add up to 360. Sorry for that. I wanted to say the opposite sides of a quadrilateral add up to 180. A plus D is equal to 180 and C plus B is equal to 180. So all together they add up to 360. 180 is always on my mouth. 180, 180, 180. But the quadrilateral, 4 angles of a quadrilateral, they add up to 360. And as we go further, we will do a cyclic quad. Let me show you this. So a cyclic quad is when the quadrilateral is inside the circle. So when it's a cyclic quad like this angle over here is equal, this angle, when it add up with an opposite angle, it gives us 180. The opposite side, or the opposite angles of a cyclic quad add up to 180. These angles, which are opposite, they add up to 180 degrees, which means these ones, they also add up to 180. If they're A, B, C, D, you can say A and what is this? This is D. A plus D, they're equals to 180 degrees in only a cyclic quad. And then B plus C is equals to 180. So in all, when they add, they give you 360. And then we have a triangle. we have a triangle. A triangle has 4 equal angles, and then it is 4 equal angles, which is 190, 90, 90. They are all 90 degrees. And these two lines are parallel. Again, these two lines are parallel. And they are also equal. This line is equal to this one. This line is equal to this one. And this line is parallel to this one. And this line is parallel to this one. That is a rectangle. Did I say rectangle the first time? Your teacher today. Again, we have a square. Square has 4 equal angles. Again, they are all 90 and all equal and all parallel. They are all parallel, as you can see. Again, we have parallelogram. Parallelogram. So I want us to be clear. Listen to me very attentively. A parallelogram, when we are solving a geometric, sometimes people don't differentiate between a cyclic quad and a parallelogram. What we know about parallelogram is, let me first say this. I think I'll classify that before I do this. This line is parallel to this one, also equal. That parallel to that one, equal also. But people mix. Parallelogram is not the same as cyclic quad. It is not the same at all. A parallelogram says A is equals to D. A is equal to D. And in cyclic quad, they are not equal, but they add up to 1/8. Maybe I'll confuse you now, but just know in a parallelogram, these angles, so the opposite angles, are equal. And then we have a rhombus. Rhombus, it's so similar with parallelogram, just it's small. This angle is this line is equal to this line, and this line is equal to this one. They are all parallel to this, parallel to that one, this parallel to that one. And again, even this one, if this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, A is equals to B. The opposite lines are equal. C is equals to D. It's not writing very well, but I hope you can see it. Again, we have a trapezium. A trapezium the two lines are parallel, but the other ones are not. These lines are parallel. And again, if this is, let me not write with that one is not that visible. Let me use the other color. I don't know if A, B, C, D in trapezium. This one plus this one is equals to 180. A plus C is equals to 180, and B plus D is equals to 180. That's a trapezium. And then the last one we have, the last one is a kite. A kite that's perfect. I thought I would be able to draw it. This one is equal to that one. That one is equal to that one. That's a kite. If you were to say A, B, C, D, those ones who are opposite, they are equal, but not all of them, man. This is A, ne? I don't know if you can see that. This is B. B plus D, they're equal. B plus D, not B plus D, but B is equals to D. D is equals to D. B is equals to D. There's a kite. A kite is one pair of equal angles. That's equal. And the equal angles are opposite to each other. This one, these are the only one which are opposite, which are equal. These ones are not equal. They are at the points where the unequal sides meet. They are here where the unequal sides meet. That's where the angles are equal. So that one is our last one. That's our last what can I say, the properties of quadrilaterals. Hopefully I think you learned something. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like and comment, man. If you didn't understand some way, comment, ask, I will repeat. If you are not understanding, or if maybe there's some way you want to ask in the comment section. Subscribe and like. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Share to the other classmates. It is cool if you're doing 11 and 12. Share to your classmates that we are dealing with including geometry. We're still on our basics. As I said before, we are not rushing. We are moving so slowly because I want you to understand very carefully, because including geometry needs full respect that it deserves. That is a slogan. It needs a full respect. If you don't give including respect, it will not give the respect back. You will find that you are not performing very well. So in order to know this one, you have to understand the basics so much. So that is the reason why I'm still on the basics. We'll move forward, don't worry. So again, please subscribe, please. I help you help me by subscribing. Subscribe, show to the friends, and good day. We'll see each other on the next video. Bye.